You talking for Daddy? You say hi to Daddy? Hi. Hi, handsome boy. Hi, handsome boy. Mwah. Yeah? What's up? What do you want to, what do you want to do today? What should we do? Should we go see Grandma and Grandpa? You're just fixated on that phone, aren't you? Dylan. Hello. Hi, handsome boy. I love you. I love you. Hi. You say hi to Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. I love you. Say we love you. You're cute. You're cute. You're sliding too. Nismo, leave his belly button alone. Hey, cute boy. Hey, cutie patootie. Hi, Dylan. Hi, Dylan. Can you talk some more? Mwah. Huh? Is that for me? Nom 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 fingers. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Yeah? Where are you going? Let's stay over here with Mommy. Let's stay over here with Mommy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. And Nismo's trying to find Perrin. What about your puppies? What are your puppies doing? What's Puppy say? Puppy goes woof woof. Key goes meow. Meow. Yeah. Say we read Goodnight Moon last night. And we read Green Eggs and Ham. Yeah, I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. I will not eat them with a fox. I will not eat them in a box. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. And we read, Mama, do you love me? Yeah? Like the pictures in that one, huh? Yeah? Yeah? What's up? What's up? Love you. I love you. Mwah. Hi, handsome boy. Hello. I love you. And there's Pug eating baby clothes. Stop it. He's still fat. Perrin, stop that. Tell your puppy knock it off. Say knock it off. Oh, excuse you. Excuse you. You're funny. You're funny. Funny baby. You funny baby. Perrin, stop. Dylan. There's Mommy. Dylan. Mommy. Dylan. What are you sticking your tongue out at? Look at Mama. Good. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? Hey, I'm up here. Hi. Say bye, Daddy. I love you. Say I love you. I miss you. We'll see you soon.